Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
You do not believe why the bears came to the village family. I sat with my grandmother, who started telling me a story that happened when she was young. Grandma said that she had a big family. His father hadn't enough resources, and that is why he decided to buy a small pig to raise it. The family members took care of that pig as they built a small house behind their house, and they feed it every day. The pig used to get a lot of food. It was not big enough and not fattening, and everyone was confused. The grandmother's father showed the pig to the vet so he might find out why his body was weak, but the vet told him that the pig was in good condition. The neighbor's pig were big, but their pig wasn't the same since they brought it to their house. Grandma, then 7 years old, decided to watch the pig and find out what he's doing. She would check it as the pig would go out into the woods and eat his food, then go home and stay there. One day, the grandmother decided to go near the hut where the pig slept, and after a while, 3 bears appeared. 2 were huge, and the third was smaller than they were approaching the house. But the little pig attacked them as if it was a dog and forced them to go back. Then the bears entered the hut where he lives and stayed there for a while, and then they went back to the forest. The girl has confirmed that the pig has always given up its share of food for the bears so that they do not come close to home. And when the bears insist, he tries to stop them. In the morning, the girl went home without anyone noticing it. And when everyone got up, she told them what she had seen. But no one believed what she was saying, and it was not possible, and maybe it was in her dream. The grandmother felt very sad, but after everyone laughed at her. And while she was sitting in her room, her older brother came to her and told her that he believed everything she said. At the night, the 2 went out of the house and waited in front of the pig hut, and moments later the 3 bears came out and go to the pig's hut and got all the food and then went back. Grandma's brother was watching the scene as he was dazed, and when he came home, he told them that his little sister was right about what she said. The family had to move the pig to another place in front of the house to get the food so that its body may grow and gain weight. But that night, the father heard a strange sound outside the house when he found the 3 bears there, which caused him great panic and awakened the rest of the family. The bears are watching the house looking for food, but they have not found anything. And although grandmother's brother tried to keep them out, but his father refused because he knew that the bears would leave, and moments later, they left already. The bears visited the house for a week, but did not get the food. And after they realized that the free restaurant where they were eating from for several months had been closed, they decided not to return there and disappeared for good. The pig regularly took his food from family members who became well watched, which made his body grow rapidly and his weight increased significantly in a few days. The pig was giving up the food he got from his owners for that hungry bears, and he refused the attack home. Over time, the bears got used to it and they visited the pig's hut and ate all the food.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.